Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and change the password for your Valorant account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now this is really simple. All you need to go ahead and do is to open up your browser right here, and inside the browser you want to go ahead and then search for Riot Account Management. And inside you will then be able to see this website right here, Riot Games account.riotgames.com. So just go ahead and click on it and it will take you to their logged in page. So just go ahead and log in your account that you want to go ahead and change your password with. You will then be able to basically manage every settings of your account right here. You have your Riot ID, you have your personal information, and of course you have your Riot account sign in. Inside you have your username. You want to go ahead and type the new password and you have to confirm that password. And lastly, after typing out your new password, just go ahead and click on Save Changes, and in that way you will be able to change your Valorant password right here. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.